Hey you all, as you can see, we are back out in the garden, and that's because we're continuing our fall cleanup. We started cleaning about 3 weeks ago. We had a week that the weather was just amazing, and then the week before, the weather heated up and we topped out at 110, and then this last week we got a whole week of much needed rain. But as you can see, everything has standing water. My compost is underwater, so it's going to make it really difficult to get the cleanup, and so, you know, we're just going to go along with it. Also in this video, we're also going to be talking about a giveaway. We're going to talk about that here in just a minute, but let me show you what the garden looks like and what I'm dealing with. You can see all the standing water, and it goes all the way over here. Here's all my compost, and I'm not complaining. We needed this rain. You know what? It'll dry out. It goes all the way over here. If you didn't see the chicken coop video, I will, link it down in the description for you. But let me get out of the sun here. You can see all the standing water, and if you look, you can see the outline of the chicken coop. So we moved it forward because we plan on putting our other chicken coop right here. You can see all of this water is standing, and it's not just here. It goes up to here. We've got it here, and then if you can see it in the garden, and it's something we're really going to have to address next year. I don't know if you can see the standing water. So all of this needs to be weed eated, and all of this needs to be weed eated, and what we can weed eat over here needs to be weed eated. But with this standing water, because it goes all the way up here, I just don't know. But look, here's an update on all of our cabbage, our cauliflower, and our broccoli, and our radishes are coming up. Marigolds look amazing. Looks good. I had actually, before the rain up there, I had actually cleaned out that whole row and gotten all of the grass out of this one. That was last week. I think it was on Monday, and then Tuesday it started raining. It rained all week long, but look what it did. Our birdhouse dinosaur gourds exploded, and then on top of it, we already had, we have a watermelon here, and we have a watermelon there, we have a watermelon there. We have one hanging up right there. Somewhere over in there is a brand new watermelon, but through the week, let me show you what happened. We have a new watermelon here. We have a new watermelon there. We have a new one right there. Can you see it through the shadow? We have a new one right here. We have a new one right there, and then of course that's an existing one, and this one right here is an existing one. So the melons exploded, so all I'm going to be able to weed eat is all of this. But I did get all of the corn down since the last video. I trimmed up the sunflowers right here. I cut some of them down over there, and I'm getting ready to go. I was going to take the peppers out, started noticing they were covered in flowers. Let me show you these. They're all covered in flowers again. So I am going to, and this guy, hate those guys. And then these ones over here have peppers all over them that are growing. So we're gonna, the wind came through. We had a lot of branches down, a lot of crazy weather happened, but we're gonna go ahead and get all those restaked. And then let me show you. Thought I was done with melons. And then we found these two, and then there's one big one right down there. So as soon as those melons are done, we'll be getting all of this. Plus we're gonna clean. I've already cut the melon stems back, and I have a whole row that I'm gonna clean right all the way down there and try and reclaim it. And I may even put, I know it's bright out here, guys. I may even put some plastic down over the top, and plus I've got to get the hoop all the way down, and then I'll show you from there all the way down. I've got to now pull the grass again because I haven't been here for a week, and I have some more that I planted. I've got a couple of Copenhagen cabbages. I've got some kohlrabi, and I think I've got some Romanesco broccoli, but that's going to finish that row, and then we're going to hoop that whole row right there. is chaos gardening at its best, y'all. Let's go talk about that giveaway. Okay, as promised, we're going to talk about this amazing giveaway and what is in this box. And I want to thank RainPoint for sponsoring today's video and for this amazing system giveaway. I have partnered with RainPoint to give away one of my wonderful subscribers the Smart 2-Zone Wi-Fi Smart Watering System. If y'all don't know about this company is amazing. They have all different kinds of watering systems to help those of us who are in the urban area. It's one of the most amazing things. There are a few things that you need to know about RainPoint before you run down and make a comment. The first is there are some requirements for this system and for this giveaway. The first requirement for the giveaway is you must be subscribed and you must put a comment down in the comment section so that I know that you want to be entered into this contest. Sorry for the dogs barking in the background. It's the neighbor's dogs across the way, not mine. But this RainPoint system comes with its own smart display panel and one of their sensors that hooks up to any watering system that will run 2 zones. However, you could purchase a second spigot water sensor and you could actually run 4 zones with this display. Now it runs on a 2.4 gigahertz internet system. If you have 5.0, make sure that you have a dual router in order to make it run so that you can downgrade to 2.4 just for this system. So again, we are giving this system away to one of our lucky subscribers. You must be subscribed and you must put a comment down in the comment section below. Today is Sunday, September 17th, and we will announce the winner next Saturday. I believe that is either the 24th or the 25th, but it'll be a week, or well, 6 days from today. We will announce the winner and then we will get this sent out to you. If you do not win, do not fret, because RainPoint has been so gracious to give anybody who watches this video until October, I think it's like October 15th, 15% discount on this particular system. So I will put that discount code right here at the bottom of the screen, as well down in the description with the link to the product. I want to thank RainPoint again for sponsoring this video today. So let's get this very swampy garden who doesn't need any water right now. We have ours turned off because we've had rain all week. But let's get it cleaned up and we'll come back and show you what it looks like and we'll talk all about it. So my weed eater battery died, so I've got it on the charger, but I thought I'd give you a quick little update on how much I've got done. Got all of this, discovered I could weed eat quite a bit right here, so I'm going to get as much of that done as I can. You can see our row. I'm going to have to take a rake, of course. So I got all of that cleaned up. I got the front of the garden cleaned up, but we still have all of this to get done, and then the back side and the back side over here. As soon as all these watermelons get done, we will take out all these cucumbers here. Same thing with the melons up front. Okay, hopefully it's not too dark. I'm not wanting to hold the camera. My hands are shaking from holding the weed eater. But you can see, here is what it looks like now. Now we can get the soil. I'm sorry. We can make the rows, put the paper down, put the soil down, plant in those. We can finish off this row right here with the rest of our cabbage and our kohlrabi. And then once all the melons are done down the middle here, we will get all of that cleaned up. But she looks much, much better. Well, as you can see, we got the chaos garden pretty much under control. And now we can begin planting the rest of our stuff. I still have garlic that I'm going to put in the ground. I have my starts at home that I've got to get in. I want to get in my turnips and my mustard greens, and then I'm going to reseed all of the peas. If you want to see that video, let me know down in the comments and we'll get it done for you. Again, don't forget about our giveaway with RainPoint, and I want to thank them once again for sponsoring today's video and for giving us the system to give away to one of our lucky winners. Today is September 17th, and we will be giving it away next Saturday. The following Saturday, we will announce it in our community post. We will announce it in our community post. And again, you must be subscribed to the channel and put a comment in this video in order to be eligible to win it. And we will pick the person at random, just like we did our last giveaway. Again, for those of you who don't win, the discount code is right here at the bottom of the screen, and a link to RainPoint and the discount code will be down in the description for all of you. Until I see you all in the next video, you can enjoy the video that pops up on the screen. You all take care of yourselves, you keep your heads up, and more importantly, you keep growing. Bye-bye, y'all.